In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the SSL warning on your Hostinger website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to verify your SSL, point your domain correctly, and make sure visitors see a secure padlock instead of a scary warning. First, log into your Hostinger account and open your website or hosting dashboard. This is where you'll control everything for your site. If you manage more than one domain, make sure you've selected the correct one so the changes apply to the right place. Next, check whether the SSL certificate is installed and active for your domain. SSL is what enables HTTPS and the padlock icon, protecting data between your site and your visitors. In the dashboard, look for the SSL section for your domain. If it shows as active or installed, you're in good shape. If it's not installed yet, use the available setup option. If it shows pending, give it a little time to finalize before moving on. Now make sure the domain is pointing correctly to Hostinger. SSL validation and secure connections depend on DNS being accurate. If you recently changed name servers or A records, confirm they're set to Hostinger's values. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate. So if you just updated them, you might need to allow a bit of time before testing again. Also, confirm that both the non-www and www versions of your domain are pointing to the same place. After that, clear your browser cache and test the site again. Old cached data can show you a warning that's already been resolved. An easy way to double check is to open a private or incognito window or try a different browser or device for a fresh view. Only after the SSL is confirmed to be working properly should you force HTTPS. Forcing HTTPS makes every visitor automatically use the secure version of your site. In Hostinger, look for the option to enable HTTPS redirection for your domain. Turning this on helps maintain consistency and avoids mixed traffic. If the warning still appears even after these checks, reissue or reinstall the SSL certificate. Use the SSL management area in your dashboard to start a reissue or reinstall. Make sure your domain is correctly pointed before you do this so the validation can complete smoothly. Finally, test the website in a browser to confirm the warning is gone. Visit your domain with HTTPS, look for the padlock, and confirm that pages load without security alerts. Check both the www and non-www versions to be thorough. Once you see the padlock consistently, you're all set.